Hi, I'm Don Marsh, and for today's cocktail, we're making the Bijou Cocktail here on the Proper Pour. So today's cocktail, the Bijou, is actually French for the jewel. And the ingredients we're using today, we're gonna have a gin. This is gonna be a French gin. I suggest any kind of London dry. You can even use a New Age American style. This denotes the diamond. For the emerald is the Green Chartreuse, also French, very herbal liqueur. It sits at 55%, so kind of high. And for the ruby, Sweet Vermouth, a fortified wine. We'll also be using a couple dashes of the orange bitters as well. So we're gonna be using 1.5 ounces of the London Dry Gin. Y'all can free pour this if you know your counts, so this will be a 6 count, but we're gonna go ahead and use a jigger here. We're gonna do 1/2 ounce of the Green Chartreuse. And we're going to be doing 3/4 ounce of the Sweet Vermouth. A couple dashes of orange bitters. You add your ice and stir. With this density of ice, again, like we talked about before, about 40, 45 times. All right, just stemware. That's your Bijou Cocktail. With the tasting and nosy notes on this, that stands out. The Green Chartreuse really pops of how herbal it is. It has a huge nose on it. The dry is going to be your boozy side. The Sweet Vermouth is going to soften everything, give it a little sweetness. And the bitter just balances it out. This is not for somebody that likes Cosmos. This is a cocktail that was made in the early 1800s. The gin, the Green Chartreuse pops the most. The Sweet Vermouth and the orange bitters just balances everything out, gives a little bit of sweetness to it, like I mentioned before. But this is one of my favorite gins that are out there as far as the cocktails go. And I'm a giant fan of Green Chartreuse as well. I hope you enjoyed today's cocktail, the Bijou, and we'll be doing more of these every week here on The Proper Pour.